Productivity is a matter of planning, organizing, and developing effective routines. Often, your nutrition program will pre-portion items to accelerate service. Simplifying the portioning method increases productivity. Who wants to be tired at the end of the day because they worked harder, not smarter? To test your work simplification skills, watch the following segment and look for ways to improve the task. Pause this video and discuss tasks that could be simplified in your kitchen. How could the work be improved?
Trial and error in your kitchens with attention paid to time and motion economy principles results in maximizing productivity by avoiding unnecessary movements and reducing wasted time.